This is definitely, I can't see on my right, so.
There's nobody coming.
Okay.
Are you going to let it engage and try to let it take a turn out of here?
Probably.
Okay, there we go.
Take two. Sure. And you don't need me to call out these power lines, right? Okay. Okay, coming through the roundabout. Okay, we should go rather than stopping. And stopping. Love taps. Love taps all the way.
Just give it an accelerator press.
Yep.
Sometimes I have to do that too.
And then it's got it. There we go. Whee! I had to hold my foot,
On the pedal.
yeah, the entire way. Up until it got it at the end. I was like, oh yeah, I know how to do this.
I got this. I've done this before. The engineers at Tesla have programmed me. To remember these kinds of things. Yeah, this really helps me being able to look at that map.
Good.
Are you getting used to yours on the left there?
Yes and no.
I actually kind of like it in this car. It took me, like I said, it took about a week of switching between the 3 to the S.
Okay, coming into the roundabout. Slowing, good. Always appreciate slowing. I will deal with it stopping. Good. I hate when it throws me into the roundabout. Good.
That was nice.
A little windy through there. It was very nice. You don't need me to call it the residential.
No, sorry. I got him in my sentence. Copy that though. Appreciate it. Catch up to. For whatever reason on this road, it tends to slow down a little bit too much. So,
Yes, we call this Ghost Alley.
because on that last turn back there, there's been a lot of accidents in this area over the years. It's kind of slowing right there. It's hard for me to tell as the passenger, but really.
So we're going
slowing
from
there.
38 to 32.
I'm not sure if it's because it's seeing shadows in the trees here, or
See, nothing is showing up on the UI, so
yeah, so it doesn't like give you much indication other than the chevron slowdowns, right? It does give you that.
not really. Like,
No.
I'm well, oh yeah, to show that it's
Yeah,
slowing
that's
down.
what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like it gives you those like chevrons, like the
Yeah.
diamond patterns. I have seen that.
All right, going straight through this intersection.
Oh yeah. I can see it. It's up between the power lines back there. Like see it?
I can't see it.
Oh, it's Sorry for my language. I suppose it could have been much worse.
As long as you're above the trees, you'll be fine through this area.
I see where that next power line's coming up at the roundabout there. It's residential still.
I remember when this road was narrower.
Yeah.
There was just 2 lanes.
You can kind of see how they widened it over here.
Okay, slow. Oh no, we're just gonna. Yay! Not the worst. A little worried because that one car I didn't realize was exiting.
Hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll make sure to keep producing more content for you guys. And thanks, obviously, for tuning in.
You got all these?
Yeah.
I'm used to grabbing the top of the steering wheel.
Yeah, like I said, it takes some getting used to.
Yeah. Went through that intersection very nicely.
Nice and smooth today.
Phantom blinker, and we're gonna be taking a left turn up here. No blinker. There's the blinker. Remember when it wouldn't make that turn?
Well, we were talking the other day when we were driving about the times that, like, our first aha moments of when the car, we thought the car was really impressive as to the driving behavior. I mean, sure, certainly it's had its glitches along the way, but I think you were saying that it was the stop signs for you, right? When it started to control at stop signs, that you said that this is going to probably be something?
Yes. When it did stop signs, because it did stoplights, I think, first before it did stop signs,
I think
right?
they released both, from what I remember.
But I remember it used to blow through stop signs. Well, that was like way, way, way back when.
It doesn't do that anymore.
No, very rarely. I think I've only ever had that like happen once in the last 6 months. We will be taking a right up here eventually.
Pretty footage though.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty day.
Yep. Got a slight little desert breeze going. Alright, taking this right. There was some debris. Had I known that, I wouldn't have allowed it to cut the corner. That is something that I hate and I love when it cuts a corner like that, because there's so much road debris, you know?
Sometimes well, Elon said that we're prioritizing safety over comfort.
Yeah.
But I do know that Green the Only was talking the other day on Twitter and saying that they are tracking it in the background. They might just not be acting upon it yet.
Yeah.
So.
But there's like a couple times where I'm just like, I get why it does it, but okay. There's a truck in the. Oh, okay. Because I didn't know if it.
That's okay.
Sorry.
That's alright. As you can see, it wasn't really slowing for the truck, though.
No, and I didn't know where the truck was going. Oh, let's turn in here.
Okay, no worries. We can do that. So one disengagement, but overall, I mean, intervention-wise, you didn't really have to intervene, but maybe what, once or twice?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good, I'd say.
Yeah.